Welcome to Accenture Visa Consultancy. Um, in a few moments, we're going to start our seminar for this afternoon. Uh, so, give me a few moments. And we're going to do our team introduction and our company history. So, first of all, thank you for joining to our seminar. And first, our history. 2008 started the number 32 Market Street in Sydney, Australia, as Australia and New Zealand Immigration Advisory Centre. 2009 established an office in HSBC Enterprise Tower with 8 staff and registered in DTI. 2014, we moved to a 200 square meter office to conduct a daily free consultation and weekend seminar. 2020 went pre-hiatus mode due to pandemic. 2022, reestablishing the office in Philippines and Australia. Team introduction, our CEO is a graduate of Australian National University. Our consultant is certified in professional international education resources. Our marketer completed a training in education agent training course in ISEF. ANU graduate batch 2009. He is a graduate of Australian National University in Migration Law in 2009. He passed all the relevant requirements and became an Australian Registered Migration Agent in 2010. Other certificate which is CCNP, CCNA, MCP, MCSE, MCSA, MCP, MC Assure, MC Hybrid, DCP, CCA/3. Our former Australian Registered Migration Agent, or RMA, our very own Mr. Christopher Vinaventura. And also, he is a licensed by Immigration Advisor Authority of New Zealand. The license was granted in March 2011. International Consultant for Education and Fair, ISEF. ISEF is Australia's industry recognized agent training course. The EATC cover in 4 key areas. Advantage 1, agents are knowledgeable in the AQF and career trends. Advantage 2, legislation and regulations. Advantage 3, working effectively in international education or web. Advantage 4, professional standards in it. She has completed Education Agent Training Course or EATC from ISIF Academy year 2022. Candidate for Qualified Education Agent Counselor, knowledgeable in AQF or familiar with AQF, Miss Pauline Otana. And also, he has completed Education Agent Training Course from ISIF Academy. Candidate for Qualified Education Agent Counselor, knowledgeable and familiar with AQF, Mr. Ryan Velasquez. 9 reasons why you should choose Accenture. Number 1, your application will be processed by a former Australian migration agent, former licensed immigration advisor, Australian qualified education counselors, and 3 ISIS agents. 2, we have partnered with more than 200 universities and colleges in Australia, Canada, and USA. 3, we don't only offer student visa. We can also advise you your pathway to residency, whose owner is an Australian citizen and former RMA. 4, we can help you continue your stay longer than 2 years after your student visa. 5, we have more than 400 approved visa in Australia, Canada, New Zealand, and USA. All courses we offer are recognized nationally under the Australian qualification framework. The waive fee of our company fee, a total of 50,000 pesos. Engagement fee, 20,000 pesos. Upon release letter of offer, 10,000 pesos. Before submission to embassy, 10,000 pesos. Upon visa approval, is 10,000 pesos, a total of 50,000 pesos. 8, we have extensive experience with visa refusal and can turn to positive outcome. Not dead in application. We can apply you for further stay after grad visa. We can apply you for skill assessment like MBA, Datasis, and etc. A friendly reminder to all of you, we are not an employment agency. We do not process work permit. We do not offer any jobs. We do not send applicants to, in Canada or Australia. We simply process student visa in the visa application for you to study in Canada and Australia. Thank you so much for listening to our company history and team introduction. And now we're gonna proceed to our topic for for this afternoon is the country of Australia. So alam ko maraming gusto nang pumunta na Australia. That's why uh, for the earliest intake for next year, 2024, habol na kayo guys. I'm just gonna give you some hints or I was gonna give you a lot of I'll give you idea or what is Australia and what is and ano yung nag-aantay sa atin sa Australia. So, first, welcome to Australia. So, why Australia? The four factors why you should consider migrating to Australia is listed in best country to live, better job prospects, healthier food, and listed one of the highest salaries. So the four best feature of Australia is number three country with the highest average salary, number seven best country in the world, number nine best to raise a family, number 27 safest country in the world. So job prospect, what are the current jobs in Australia? So the highest paying jobs in Australia, um, you can search it at the www.heart.com.au career advice job hunting highest paying jobs in Australia. So I'm so lazy to apply. Pag tinatamad tayo mag-apply, here in the Philippines is like, pag nag-apply, kailangan natin pumunta sa like admin or office na kailangan natin i-apply. So here in Australia, we have www.linkedin.com. So you can search it on your own. It's like a platform na you can apply a job here. Then, if may nag-a-apply ng job, apply ng work, you need a job first. So you can use this link www.seek.com.au. Dito pwede tayo maghanap ng trabaho or you can search it on your own mismo din para aware na kayo what platform is this. It's this platform that you can search for a job that fits for you as a student visa holder. So for equal opportunity, like an example, here in the Philippines, pag construction worker ka, it's like a common for a boys or for a men work na parang minsan ka na makakita ng babaeng nagko-construction, right? So, but in Australia, as long as you can do the job, as long as you can perform the job well, you can apply even if it's like a man work. That's why they have equal opportunity. So here, guys, is like a school location. So dito, we just choose the most affordable school in CBD. And of course, with one of the highest hourly rate. Hindi lang kami naghanap ng basta school lang, but also affordable school na may mataas na hourly rate. So ito, located siya sa all major cities in Australia.